Hello there and welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will demonstrate how to use voice changer on iPhone call. 1. Use a voice changer app. Several apps allows you to change your voice during a call. You can find them in the App Store. A couple of popular ones are Magic Call. This app lets you change your voice in real time during a call. It includes a variety of voice effects like a robot, child, or even different accents. Call Voice Changer in Call. This app also changes your voice during calls, and it works by routing your call through its service. Steps to use an app. Download and install the app from the App Store. Open the app and follow the instructions to connect it with your phone. Once connected, make a call through the app and use the available voice effects during the conversation. 2. Use an external device. Some external devices, like the Roland Go Mixer Pro or similar, let you alter your voice in real time when connected to your iPhone via the headphone jack or lightning port. These devices usually come with built-in effects and allow for more control over the sound. 3. Use VoIP services with voice effects. You can also use VoIP or voice over IP services like Skype or Google Voice, combined with a voice changing app to alter your voice during calls made over the internet. Some of these services have their own built-in effects or can integrate with voice changing apps. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below for more tutorials on your favorite apps. Happy exploring!